welcome to my channel. Hope you all will be fine and have been doing great. So we have completed brain function and structure, 3D structure. So now it's your turn. You have to solve some multiple choice questions, but before multiple choice questions you have to watch video number 1 and video number 2. Then let's solve MCQs. I have attached the links of the brain videos in the description, so you can search them and watch videos before MCQs. Okay, your first MCQ is long term memory belong to which portion. So you have to tell that which portion control your long term memory. So your options are cerebellum, hippocampus and cerebrum. You have to choose only one option. Let's discuss these options. The number one option is cerebellum. So if we talk about the cerebellum, so cerebellum is belong to hindbrain, and it is important in short term memory. It is important in learning behavior, so it is not right one. Then if we talk about the hippocampus, so hippocampus is part, or it is present in hypothalamus, and it is important for long term memory. So yeah, it is our right option, that hippocampus control your long term memory. What is cerebrum? Cerebrum is a portion of forebrain. Clear? So cerebellum is control short term memory, hippocampus is control your long term memory. Okay, so which portion uh, is controlling your long term memory? Hippocampus. What is the location of the hippocampus? It is in the hypothalamus, or you can say that it is near the hypothalamus. Second MCQ is, which is the largest gland of endocrine system which is present in brain? Pituitary gland, thyroid gland and parathyroid gland. So let's make a guess. Okay, so your right option is pituitary gland. So where is the location of the pituitary gland? It is in the hypothalamus. So which option is right? Your pituitary gland is present in the hypothalamus, and it is the largest gland of endocrine system. Am I clear? Let's move toward your next MCQ. Third MCQ is, which part is known as brain stem? Which part is known as brain stem? Your options are cerebrum, hindbrain and midbrain. You have to choose one option. Okay, let's discuss one by one. Your first option is cerebrum. So cerebrum is a portion of forebrain, so it is not your right option. It is not known as brain stem. If we talk about the hindbrain, so hindbrain and your pons, medulla oblongata and cerebellum, it is known as brain stem. So it is a right option. But if we talk about the hindbrain, so midbrain, so midbrain is also known as brain stem. Basically brain stem consists of midbrain and hindbrain. Both these parts of your brain make a brain stem. So these two options are right. Which part is known as brain stem? Hindbrain, you can say that is known as brain stem, but midbrain is also included in brain stem. Clear? Next option is, pituitary gland is present in dash portion. You have to choose one option. Your options are thalamus, midbrain, hypothalamus. So where is the location of the pituitary gland? Pituitary gland is the largest gland of endocrine system. And where is the location of this largest gland? It is in the thalamus, midbrain and hypothalamus. Yes, you are right. It is in hypothalamus. So hypothalamus is the right one answer, that pituitary gland is present in hypothalamus or near the hypothalamus. Don't get confused. Next MCQ is, right cerebral hemisphere control your whole body, right part of body, left part of body. It's your turn. You have to tell me. Let's discuss. that right cerebral hemisphere controls your whole body? No, it is not right one option. Then the second option is control your right part of body or left part of body. Let's discuss the MCQ again. Right cerebral hemisphere control your dash part. It control your left part because your right cerebral hemisphere control your left part. Oppositely, your left cerebral hemisphere control your right part of body. Clear? The next MCQ is which part analysis visual information. Which part control your visual information? Your options are pons, midbrain, occipital lobe. So make a guess. Let's discuss the options. If you are thinking about pons, then pons is not right one answer. Let's discuss the midbrain. Midbrain may be a right one, but midbrain basically control the reflex movement of eye. Our question is which part analysis visual information. Midbrain is controlling the reflex movement of eye, not analysis the visual information. So your last option, which is known as occipital lobe, and occipital lobe is a portion of cerebral sphere. So this portion, occipital lobe, is right answer. It analyzes your visual information. So am I clear that which part analyzes the visual information? Your occipital lobe. And where is the location of occipital lobe? It is a part of your cerebrum, your cerebral hemispheres. I hope this video will be helpful to all of you. Like this video and share this video. Jazakallah. Stay blessed, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.